Hi, I'm Kritika, and this is Geoclimate AI, a command center I built to analyze global supply chain lanes. The first screen we are going to see is route analysis screen. I select an origin and destination, choose a mode like sea or air, and set the departure date. When I run the analysis, the app scores the lane across geopolitics, climate, logistics, and cyber, and shows the result as a lane snapshot, a map, and a radar chart. Explain with AI. You get to see the Explain with AI in couple of other screens in the same application. The usage of AI is it turns those codes into a short narrative that highlights the main risks and suggests simple actions. This application is using mock AI means it has set of logic put in a place in the coding so it answers only supply chain related questions. But for the real time, we have to get an API key integrated to make the AI option work in the future. The next screen we are going to see is Scenario Lab. The Scenario Lab lets me stress test the same lane. By adjusting multipliers for geopolitics, climate, logistics, and cyber, I can simulate shocks and immediately compare the stressed case with the base case. The next screen we are going to see is Global Heat Map. The Global Heat Map provides a quick view of which countries are most exposed. The next screen we have is a strategy room. In the AI strategy room, I can ask questions about routing or resilience. For example, how to move critical cargo between two countries. The assistant is restricted to this dashboard, so it only answers supply chain and risk questions. Network optimizer. The network optimizer generates alternative designs, such as changing mode or using a safer regional origin, and compass their overall risk. I can then use the AI recommendation to pick the option that better balances risk and practicality. The next screen we have is Export Center. Finally, the Export Center creates a short summary of the lane that I can download and share. That is that is a brief tour of Geoclimate AI. This can be expanded to integrate real LLMs for more advanced strategic guidance. Thank you.